Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Mrs Nakhle. We are learning the alphabet, and in our alphabet series we are learning the letter O, and the sound that letter O makes is O. O, 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 O. O for ox. O for ox. O for octopus. O for octopus. O for orange. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. O for office. O for office. Which picture makes the O sound? Let's have a closer look, shall we? Look at the pictures on the following slides. Read the words with me. Do they start with the O sound? We will check at the end to see if you were correct. Let's go. Orca. Orca. Grapes. Grapes. Okra. Okra. Origami. Origami. Moth. Moth. Otter. Otter. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. October. October. Pie. Pie. Did you find the same words as I did? Did you find orca, okra, origami, otter and October? Fabulous work. Well done everyone. Congratulations, and I will see you next time.